Okay, so why don't you take a second and try and answer the problem after you have given an attempt, continue the video, and then we will go through it together. Okay, so it says, in the xy plane, the point 1, 2 is on line J. Okay, so we've got some xy plane here. Don't know necessarily exactly what it looks like, but there's an xy plane. Then there's a point here, it's at x equals 1 and y equals 2. So put that point 1, 2 is on line K. Is on line J. And the point 2, 1 is on line K. Okay, so you go over to 2, 1, which is right here. Alright, and this is 2, 1. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Alright, so 2, 1 is on line K, and 1, 2 is on line J. Each of the lines has a positive slope. Okay, so you know that they're positive. So for a line to have a slope, this is a line that has a 0 slope, something that's horizontal. Okay, pretend that's a line and pretend it's horizontal. As soon as you go above that, that's a positive slope, right? When you go below that, it's negative slope. Alright, so this would have like a negative slope of like -1/2 or something like that, and this would have a slope of 1/2 or something like that. Yeah, so that's kind of like how you know that a slope is positive or negative visually. Alright, so now they want to know, what is greater, the slope of line J or the slope of line K? Alright, well, generally, in order to know two slopes, like what they're going to look like, you need to have 2 points. Right? If I have a point here and I have a point here, I can tell you what the slope is because it has to cross through both of these points and it can't bend or anything like that. So that is how you know what 2 points look like. But what if I only have 1 point? Right? Well, then I have no idea. Right? Maybe it could go this way or that way. Even if you're making sure it's only positive, it could go like this for an infinite number of different variations, actually. So you really don't know what the slope is except for the fact that it's positive. And that's the case for both this point and this point. So yeah, line J could be going like this, could be going like this, could be going like this, could be going like that, 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 doesn't matter. Same thing for this line. It could be going anything that's positive. And you don't know. So it could be that line J is like this and line K is like this, so that line K has a more positive slope. Or it could be that it's different. It could be that line K is going like this and line J is going like this, so that line J has a more positive slope. You just don't know. So when it comes to the slope of line J and the slope of line K, the answer is D. Not enough information.